Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate bagels. First, combine your dry ingredients, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Next, warm 1 cup of milk and add it to the dry mixture along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. Finally, let it rise. Once your dough has doubled in size, gently punch it down to release the air. Now, it's time for the star ingredient, chocolate chips. Carefully fold in about 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Then, divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Each piece will become 1 delicious chocolate bagel. To shape your bagels, roll each dough portion into a rope about 8 inches long. Connect the ends to form a ring, pressing firmly to seal. Next, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop the bagels into the boiling water, 2 or 3 at a time, and boil for 1 minute on each side. This step gives bagels their characteristic chewy texture. After boiling, place your bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in your preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Let them cool slightly on a wire rack before enjoying your homemade chocolate bagels. They are perfect for breakfast or a sweet snack. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.